Before you put your car into hibernation, there are a few handy hints that we have for you. First of all, making sure your fuel tank is full. This avoids water condensation happening inside the tank. Also with diesels, you can get an algae build-up, so we recommend getting a fuel stabiliser from one of your auto outlets. This stops algae build-up, and then for a petrol vehicle, it stops the fuel from going off, which is important. Make sure you check your oil and coolant levels, make sure they're correct before you put the vehicle away. Another issue that can happen when the vehicle's left for storage is tyres developing flat spots. So make sure your tyre pressures are correct. We recommend putting an extra 10 psi in each of the tyres. That way it'll avoid the flat spots. If you need to know what your pressures should be, check your tyre placard or your owner's handbook. Close all the doors of the vehicle, make sure you lock it. A vehicle that's left unlocked for over a period of time will draw the battery down, particularly proximity keys. The car will keep talking to the key. Have the key stored well away from the vehicle and the vehicle locked at all times. We also recommend getting a battery charger. So this is one of the newer style ones that are a battery maintenance style charger. They can be plugged in, left on indefinitely, so certainly a good investment. Wash and clean it inside and out, put a car cover over of it, make sure you don't have any food scraps left out. Think about when your vehicle is due for service. If it's getting close to getting it serviced, get it done before you put it into hibernation. Also, while you're at it, check and see what your registration expiry is going to be. If it's getting close, just have a reminder about that. And also remember, if it's 5 years old or more, you're going to need a pink slip done at the same time. While it's in hibernation, what we recommend, particularly if you don't have a battery charger, is drive the vehicle for 30 minutes every 6 weeks. Not only will that sort of help with the battery side of things, but also gets all the fluids moving around and it avoids seals going hard and starting to leak later on. Remember, if you need a hand with putting your vehicle into storage or getting it back out again at the end of the day, NRMA is only a phone call away.